Mayong bundag everyone! Good morning guys! So, for today's video, I'm going on a hike to Tung Waterfalls. It is where we can find the highest falls in Hong Kong as well. So, ayun. This is my second time going to the waterfalls because the last time diretso kami ng Tai Mo Shan, which is the highest peak of Hong Kong. But this time, ang bakay ko lang is makabalik ulit dun sa waterfalls and then head back on my way. And I'm telling you, it's really beautiful. That was the first stop, Waterfalls. Now, let's proceed to the next one. So nag-overnight from Tai Mo Shan and then dito sila nag-spend ng morning. Diba ang saya? Oh, solong-solo nila yung falls. Hi, bye-bye! Thank you! Thank you! Nice meeting you! Guys, coming here is no joke. Pero this is so far one of the best activity I've done here in Hong Kong. Pero it's just so nice and very relaxing to spend time away from noise, and all you can hear is flow ng water, the sound of the birds. spend the whole day